Drawing for Kids, video for kids. Hi guys, follow along as I show you how to draw and color Rainbow Friends Blue. Even though this is a drawing for kids, video for kids, adults and teens will have fun with this Rainbow Friends Blue for kids drawing. Get your sheet of paper to draw on. You will need a drawing sheet of paper, and my colors that I have is black. I have some black markers, and I have the blue and the yellow for the crown. Now you can get your markers or your crayons or your paint and your paintbrush. We will now start with our drawing for Rainbow Friends Blue. We'll use the black marker to do the outline, and we'll do the face. Now let us draw the crown for Rainbow Friends Blue. We'll draw his crown. Now the mouth. We'll now do the arms for Rainbow Friends Blue. Let's do the tongue for Rainbow Friends Blue. We'll draw the crown for Rainbow Friends Blue. A yellow crown. Or a gold color crown. You could use either color. Now the body of Rainbow Friends Blue. There is our drawing and coloring for Rainbow Friends Blue. I forgot to do the face. We'll just add some color to the face. Here is our Rainbow Friends Blue drawing. I hope that you have enjoyed this drawing. Please remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step for kids drawing and coloring. I have just shown you how to draw and color Rainbow Friends Blue. Thank you for watching.